For over 12,000 years, Niagara Falls has shaped this land, with power, with purpose, with unstoppable force. Just minutes away, PALFINGER has been shaping a legacy of its own, where strength meets precision, where cranes aren't just built, they're engineered to lift what matters most.
Do you remember back in '91, this facility was just concrete in a dream?
Yes, I do, and we were just a small group of 4.
No production lines, no systems, just hands and grit.
And then PALFINGER chose to assemble here, investing in our people, infrastructure, and the regions and our customers' future.
This is where PALFINGER took its first step in North America. And today, it's more than a facility, it's a heartbeat. A place where every crane begins with care, with craftsmanship, and with pride, and leaves ready to rise to any challenge.
The facility in Niagara Falls is unique because we're the only plant assembling cranes in North America.
So we have a tremendous advantage here with our components being manufactured in Austria at our state-of-the-art facility. And then here in Niagara Falls, we assemble the cranes with a very quick route to market, combine that with high parts availability and superior technical support.
But our promise doesn't end when the crane rolls out. It lives on, in every manual tailored to your specific needs, in every part delivered when it matters most, in every expert who stands by your side. Because at PALFINGER, it's not just about the lift, it's about the people behind it.
The 30 years of assembly here in Niagara Falls reflects the teamwork and trust that we've earned within the markets.
What makes this place world-class? Not just the machines, but the people. Skilled hands, sharp minds, proud hearts. At PALFINGER, we don't just build cranes. We build trust. We build futures. From the roar of Niagara Falls to the quiet strength of job sites across North America, our legacy moves with every lift.